In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways that you can make money on TikTok. Starting right off with the list, the first one will be Cameo.com. I don't know if you've seen this website before. So basically here on Cameo.com, people are going to pay you a certain amount for you to send them a personalized message. So yeah, you can see Snoop Dogg here. And if you browse through the website, you will see that there are so many people in here, like creators, for example, which might be your case. If you sign up for the site and you share your link on your TikTok bio, letting people know that you can say hi to them with their name and wish them happy birthday or whatever for like 15, 20, whatever dollar amount, that could be a nice source of income. So Cameo.com is number 1 on our list. Number 2 in our list is peerpop.com. This one is less general and more focused to TikTok. So basically you have TikTok influencers here. I don't know, I don't recognize any of these people, but let's just click on this one, for example. You get paid if people are interested in doing something with you. That is, for example, a new artist that just released a song wants you to dance to their song, whatever, duet. So basically people can pay you for duetting, using their sounds, and stitching. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure you can find it out if you're interested in this. So Pure Pop is number 2 in our list. Number 3 in our list is live donations. If you don't know what live donations are, basically when you do a live stream on TikTok, people can pay to get coins. For example, if I pay $1.29, I get 100 coins. And whenever I'm on a live stream, when the viewers come into the live stream, they can make little donations. For example, you have like a panda, an Italian, and whatever, and all of these things, they cost coins, which you purchase with money. So basically, every time you get one of these, you will be accumulating coins, which later on you can redeem for real money directly through TikTok. So live donations is number 3 in our list. Number 4 in our list is theme pages. If you're not familiar with theme pages, you don't have to create content on your own, but basically you create an account and then you post specific posts to a certain niche or like a certain genre of videos. For example, this is a theme page. This is a meme account. It only posts memes and like funny videos and stuff like that. So how do you make money on these accounts? Mostly drop shippers. If you don't know what drop shipping is, I recommend you to Google it. People that want to sell a product to a specific audience, they come to you and be like, yo, can you post this video of this product that I'm selling to your audience? And then you charge them like, yeah, I can post it and give me $40 for a post or $50. This is more common on Instagram, not that much on TikTok yet. For example, let me try to find an Instagram theme account. So here I found this example of an Instagram theme page. So basically, this is an Instagram account that only posts content about bulldogs or whatever these are. So let's say, for example, you're selling a glow-in-the-dark dog leash. You DM this page. They will post your advertisement on this page that has 55,000 followers that are all interested in dogs. So basically this is like a niche audience, people that like dogs, and then the people want to sell to that audience. So if you have a theme page specifically for a topic, people will pay you to advertise products that are of interest to that audience, and you can do the same thing for TikTok. So theme pages is our number 4. Number 5 is Amazon affiliates. Amazon affiliates basically means that whatever people buy on Amazon through your link, you will get a percentage of whatever they bought. So let's say you make a funny video with a specific product that's being sold on Amazon on TikTok, and then you put a link on your bio that will contain your referral Amazon affiliate link to that product. Whoever sees your video on TikTok goes to your bio and then goes to Amazon through your affiliate link. Whoever buys from that funnel, you will get a commission for not only the product that they bought that you advertised, but anything else that they bought in that session. So if you make a funny video about a makeup brush that's $10 and people go to your bio and go to Amazon through your link and they buy that makeup brush for $10, you will get, let's say if it has a 10% commission, then you get like $1 out of the 10, right? 10% of 10 is 1. But not only that, if not only they bought the makeup brush, they also bought something else that's like $30 as well, you will also get a commission from the other $30 that the person spent during that shopping session on Amazon. So Amazon affiliates, what's our number 5? Our number 6, it's Teespring. If you don't know what Teespring is, basically it's a service that will sell clothes with your design without you having to make the clothes yourself. To put it easy, let me give you an example. I just found this account randomly. So for example, this TikTok account, I don't know, King Science is the name. You see that they have like a recurrent animation thing going on, like that's their content, right? So for example, they can take like the logo, they can take like this character as their logo, and they can go to Teespring. He just needs to upload the logo to the Teespring, and then Teespring will like put that logo on different merch, basically like t-shirts, backpacks, phone cases, anything. So if someone buys, Teespring will make the t-shirt and it will ship the t-shirt to the person who bought it, and it will just take a cut from the actual price. So like if the t-shirt was like $20, Teespring will make it and ship it to the people, and they will take a cut. I don't know for how much the cut is. Like just imagine it will be 50%. You can just go and check it out if you're interested in more. But yeah, so you can basically make like a little online store with your design, and you can make all sorts of things that you can sell to your audience. So that's like one of the other ways that you can make money on TikTok. So far these are the ones that I have in mind. If you have any other that you would like to let people know, please leave it in the comments. And I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.